Oh, cool, you're worrying again. Because obviously stressing over things you can't control is the secret to a long, happy life. I got your back. Here's 6 neuroscience-backed reasons to stop worrying and 1 way to actually stop. If you're new here, I'm Michael. I help you master your energy so you can up-spiral your life. If you're into that, follow me and click the link in my bio. 1, it hijacks your amygdala. Worry is basically rehearsed fear. Each loop activates your amygdala, which is your brain's alarm system. And what happens is even small problems end up feeling like a crisis. So congrats, you just turned a paper cut into the apocalypse. 2, it weakens your immune system. Chronic worry keeps cortisol high. And elevated cortisol suppresses immune cells, which makes you more vulnerable to illness and slower to heal. Because nothing says healthy lifestyle like stressing yourself sick. 3, it damages your memory. Worry floods your hippocampus with stress hormones. And over time, your hippocampus actually shrinks. And since that's your brain's memory center, your memory gets worse. Perfect. You can't remember what you had for breakfast, but you can remember every embarrassing thing you're worrying about that you said to your boss yesterday. 4, it short-circuits your sleep cycles. Worry keeps your brain's threat circuits firing all night long. And it totally blocks the deep sleep stages that restore your body and mind. That's an awesome plan. Solve your problems by staying up all night, inventing new ones. 5, it rewires your brain for anxiety. Neuroplasticity is a thing, and it means practice makes permanent. Repeated worry strengthens anxiety pathways. It makes your brain better at worrying and worse at calming down. Congratulations, you've been promoted from worrier to Olympic-level pro-worrier. 6, it steals focus from your prefrontal cortex. When your brain is busy running what-if scenarios, your prefrontal cortex, which is the part of your brain responsible for planning and creativity, it goes offline. So yeah, your genius ideas, they're on hold because you're too busy starring in your own imaginary disaster movie. So how do you stop worrying? Here's 1 way to actually stop. You catch the thought and you label it. Neuroscience calls this affect labeling. And the way you do it, when you catch yourself worrying, you stop and you say to yourself, my worried part is talking right now. And that simple act shifts brain activity from the amygdala, the fear center, to the prefrontal cortex, the creativity center. In other words, your alarm system cools down and your thinking brain switches back on. And you get your agency back. So listen, life is going to throw curveballs. And you can either sit there and worry yourself into an early grave, or you can call it out, take the wheel, and actually live your life. The choice is yours. Write "my choice" in the comments to remember all this in your body. My choice in the comments. Like the video, follow me, and click the link in my bio. I'm enrolling my program in manifestation right now, and I want to meet you inside that program. Vibrant beings, have a great day.